First up, viewers, we have some big breaking news coming in from the state of Maharashtra because Ajit Pawar camp MLA has dropped a big hint on the Pawar reunion. He says that something big is expected to happen in the coming days. What does he mean by that? Does he mean that both Sharad Pawar and Ajit Pawar will reunite once again, will join hands once again? So amid speculations of a possible reunion between Sharad Pawar's NCP and Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar's NCP camp, the latter's party leader and MP Sunil Tatkare told Republic, wait and watch. Tatkare quipped the same on Saturday when Republic asked him about the possibility of the leaders joining the NCP. Tatkare said, wait and watch, something big will happen in the coming days. Well, that's the big statement dropped by Tatkare, an NCP Ajit Pawar camp MP. Let's now go across to Sandeep, who's joining us live this morning. Sandeep, a very good morning to you. It seems like the Pawars have finally, thought of a reunion because all the MLAs and leaders of both the camps are dropping back-to-back hints. Tell us about the latest coming in.
Deepak, at this point in time, as far as Sharad Pawar is concerned, definitely there are MPs and MLAs within his party who wish the party to be merged with Ajit Pawar's NCP. But ultimately, it is Sharad Pawar to take a final call on this. Although there is, no confirmation, or in fact, I had a meeting with Mr. Sharad Pawar recently, and he denied with the fact to go with Ajit Pawar, in fact. So ultimately, what my sources in Sharad Pawar camp says that, the NCP, Sharad Pawar MP MLAs are in fact in the position, or in fact are willing to join Ajit Pawar, but ultimately Sharad Pawar is not in the mood to switch the sides. But the question that remains out here, Deepak, is that, remember, the allegations have been made by Jitendra Awad as well that Sunil Tatkare, the MP from Ajit Pawar camp, is trying to poach their MP MLAs. But the question out here is that the remaining NCP, which is with Sharad Pawar, the remaining NCP MLA and MPs, will they be going to Ajit Pawar? And is this what Sunil Tatkare is indicating? Is something that we have to wait and watch out for, because ultimately that is something that Sunil Tatkare has hinted right now.
Right, Sandeep, like Tatkare mentioned, all we have to do is wait and watch for the Maha development. Many thanks for bringing us those inputs. Let's now play out that exclusive reaction of Tatkare to Republic.
आने वाले दिनों में अगर कोई आना चाहता है तो उनका वेलकम है.
वेट एंड वॉच, लेटेस्ट वेट एंड वॉच. आने वाले दिनों में बहुत सारे कुछ घटना हो जाएंगी.
सर, जितेंद्र अवार्ड ने आरोप लगाया था कि उनके एमपी को तोड़ा जा रहा, आप संपर्क में हैं, सुप्रिया सुले को मंत्री के बनाने की बात की जा रही, क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, इसके बारे में मैंने तो बयान दिया है 2 दिन पहले जब मैं इस टूर पे था. ना मैंने कभी किनके साथ संपर्क किया. बात जरूर है कि जब लोकसभा के अधिवेशन रहता है तो दिल्ली में सब लोग मिलते हैं. महाराष्ट्र से, शिवसेना से चुन के आए हुए एमपी हो, पवार साहब के एमपी हो, कांग्रेस के एमपी हो, कई सालों से साल हम राज्य में काम करते आए हैं. पहले बात हो गई, लेकिन उन्होंने मेरे पास क्या बात किया मैं तो आज बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ. लेकिन मैंने उनको कभी टोका नहीं, मैंने उनको कभी आमंत्रित नहीं किया कि वो राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी ज्वाइन करें.
लेकिन क्या वो सरकार के साथ आना चाहती, कि केंद्र और राज्य में दोनों सरकारें हैं और विकास और उनके काम चुनाव क्षेत्र भी होनी चाहिए?
वो तो उन्होंने तय करना चाहिए, वो तो उनकी अंदर की बात है. मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ कहना नहीं चाहता हूँ.
Wait and watch is what Tatkare said in his exclusive reaction to Republic when he was asked about a possible reunion. In fact, there have been no direct, contact between the two factions, but there have been informal talks. Here's a report encapsulating all these details for you.
The speculation over a possible Pawar union still lives on. Listen into this cryptic response by Ajit man on Friday, Sunil Tatkare.
आने वाले दिनों में अगर कोई आना चाहता है तो उनका वेलकम है।
वेट एंड वॉच, लेटेस्ट वेट एंड वॉच। आने वाले दिनों में बहुत सारे कुछ घटना हो जाएंगी। ना मैंने कभी किनके साथ संपर्क किया। बात जरूर है कि जब लोकसभा के अधिवेशन रहता है तो दिल्ली में सब लोग मिलते हैं। महाराष्ट्र से, शिवसेना से चुन के हुए एमपी हो, पवार साहब के एमपी हो, कांग्रेस के एमपी हो, कई सालों से साल हम राज्य में काम करते आए हैं। पहले बात हो गई, लेकिन उन्होंने मेरे पास क्या बात किया मैं तो आज बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ। लेकिन मैंने उनको कभी टोका नहीं, मैंने उनको कभी आमंत्रित नहीं किया कि वो राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी ज्वाइन करें।
लेकिन क्या वो सरकार के साथ आना चाहती कि केंद्र और राज्य में दोनों सरकारें हैं और विकास और उनके काम चुनाव क्षेत्र भी होने चाहिए?
वो तो उन्होंने तय करना चाहिए, वो तो उनके अंदर नहीं बात है। मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ कहना नहीं चाहता हूँ। मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि अजीत दादा के नेतृत्व में हमारे वरिष्ठ नेता प्रफुल्ल पटेल, छगन भुजबल जी, हसन मुश्रीफ, हम सब लोग ने जो कुछ तय किया था, जिस फैसले के ऊपर महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने विधानसभा चुनाव में भारी वोटों से हमको ताकत देकर उसको अधोरेखित किया है, हम उस रास्ते से आगे वाले दिनों में चलने वाले हैं।
Few days ago, Rohit Pawar, in an exclusive conversation with Republic, added fuel to the speculations.
In our party, there's no such kind of discussion. Not even Pawar Saab has spoken about it. Not even our leaders have spoken about it. So I would say it's more about speculation. And to talk on speculation at this time is not good. Tatkare ji, I think, on that basis, he can speak. Tatkare Saab can contact. Even he has got two netas with him. One lady representative and one youth representative who are, I think, in touch with some MPs. But that wouldn't really matter. Reason is, if MPs have been contacted, we are pretty sure, and MPs have also spoken, that at any cost we would be with Pawar Saab.
Do you think that both Sharad Pawar and Mr. Ajit Pawar both are going to join hands again? Is there any kind of scenario that can come up in coming days?
No such kind of discussion is happening now. So, it would be difficult to speak on this speculation. But what I would say is, if any decision would be taken, it would be taken by Pawar Saab. But now at this moment, there is no discussion on this area. When Pawar Saab would take a call, that time, we can comment on it.
The question remains, are the Pawar finally going to unite?